SelfQuest tutorial. So I will just try to show you the gameplay of SelfQuest app, which is going viral right now on TikTok. I think super cool idea. So it's kind of like gamified fitness tracker. So yeah, this app was in the App Store for a while, but now it's just getting a lot of traction. And yeah, so that's what it is. So yeah, you just go and search for this app by James Kirkham, SelfQuest. It's available on Android also, by the way. So it's also was released on Android a few days ago. Yeah, then you just open up this app, and here's how it looks like. Basically, you have your character, which looks like some 90s game. So that's the idea. And then what's going on here? You can ask what it has to do with fitness. So you just tap on this kind of quest icon, and then these are your real life quests. So in during the day, you need to do like 20 push-ups, 20 sit-ups, 20 squats. And this is your like fitness plan. So this is how it looks like. And you're just doing these exercises in real life. You're just completing those, and you're growing your character. So your character gets more damage, grows in class, gets more points. You can change different skins. So that's the idea. And then, you just growing your character, and that's the idea. You have a bit more motivation to go to the gym. And then you open up more opportunities. You can participate in these battles. You can compete with your friends. So yep. So here are quests, and like there is one daily main quest which you can have here. So that's what it is. And then, for example, I just did 20 push-ups. Okay, great. Then I'm doing sit-ups. I can do like 20 sit-ups. So great. You can't change this main quest for some reason. This is a default, so you need to do this every day. And in the bottom you can see that there is like some kind of like a time deadline here that you can see the clock ticking. It says caution: if you do not complete these 4 quest goals, you will face penalties. So this is the obligatory kind of quest, and you just need to do it. But then there is side quest, and then you can update those. If you don't like stretching, you can do gym workout. If you don't like gym workout, you can do steps. Yeah, also, by the way, here you can just also change your run distance. That's the only thing you can do in the main quest. And by the way, all your Apple Health data is being synced to this app as well. So that's what you have. And then you have all the side quests. So for example, if I read 10 pages today, I can complete this. And as you can see, by completing this quest, I'm getting rewards. I'm getting +1 intelligence, getting +30 gold. So yep, that's what I'm getting here. And yeah, pretty cool. So that's what I've got. And then also I have custom quests, which I can create my own custom quests. I can just, for example, if I like running, run like 3 kilometer. I don't know, like you just have like different points here, and then you can select strengths +1. What are 3? So anyhow, let's just try again. So anyhow, I think then it's just somehow being added, I hope. Yeah, this app still has quite a lot of bugs, I would say, but the idea is really cool. So, and then also there is a timer which you can add here. So that's just, anyway, this is just custom things. And then you have shop in the bottom right, where you can just, watch some ads for keys. You can watch ads for additional gold, and then you just get in all of this, and then you just you can unlock additional levels and grow your character. Then there is lobby, where if you grow your character and you get in more damage, then you can just fight with some like illusional character. And then how it works: so basically you can choose an attack normal attack, which is like it says in the bottom left. You can see exercise, sit-ups, 5 repetitions, damage 40. And then there is a timer, and then you complete in this exercise. So basically you need to do like 5 sit-ups during 30 seconds. So yeah, that's the idea. You know, if you would do it in the normal life, that would be really boring. But this way you are kind of, it's just a bit more entertaining. And then just complete an exercise, and then it says you were defeated. I don't know why I was defeated. Probably maybe because I did it too slowly or things like that. So doesn't work. Then you also have lobby. Yeah, again, then the next game will be available in some minutes. And then you have a leaderboard, where you can invite friends. So you just enter your player's ID, which you need to ask from your friends. You can find your player's ID in the top left. That's the ID there. And then yeah, you have, yeah, so that's the app basically here, what you have. And then you just grow your character. The more points you're getting, the more push-ups and the more quests you're doing, whatever, you're getting more skins. You can try to equip more skins. You're growing your level, as you can see, growing your damage, and that's the idea. Then you can see the settings. Yeah, just you can delete your account if you don't like it. Support. So yep, that's what you can do here. That's the idea of the app. Yeah, kind of. So here's, for example, I want to unlock this character. I want to unlock this one and bunch of those. Since this app still requires, some additional fixings and, some, because there are some glitches here and there, but overall it kind of working and pretty cool idea. It's already been released on Android, so I think it can have a nice future. So go in this app, and then also you can see your complete status, your strengths, your push-ups, your vitalities, your sit-ups. So yeah, try that out, try this app out, and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think? Is this the future of fitness tracking to make fitness less boring and more entertaining? What do you think? Or this app is just like a one-time hit, and then people will forget it. But yeah, pretty cool. A lot of teenagers really like the idea of this app. You can think also of some other features which can be added. So yeah, definitely give it a try and share your thoughts in the comments. Yeah, also you can ask some additional questions in the comments. What do you think about it? Yeah, I might help you out or answer these comments. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I often post a lot of nice videos of some hot trending apps, so it can be helpful for you.